Yo guys, we got another one of them early guys. The box came a little damaged, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, hopefully everything is good inside. Haven't checked these out. You guys see all taped up, all that good stuff. So let's hope they came in fresh. Let's hope these OG joints is looking crispy, and we gotta check these things out together. Let's get right into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into yet another video, bro. Y'all back again. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys come pull up, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. In the last couple of days, man, we'll show you guys some early things. And the first one that showed early, I think, well, of course, the taxis, but then we had showed the Air Jordan 1 Chicago lows, and these are so crispy. I love them. I cannot get enough of these Air Jordan 1 Chicago lows, bro. They're just so crispy. Nike execute these perfectly. And of course, tomorrow we do have the Air Jordan 12 taxis, and I'm gonna be doing a vlog tomorrow, kind of showing you guys around my local area, see what the taxi release is looking like. I did secure a pair after I got put on the wait list, so that kind of shows a couple things. If you get promoted off the wait list, I mean, nobody really wanted these at the end of the day, because if you really wanted them, you would have definitely confirmed these guys and made sure you were able to secure them from Foot Locker Temps or wherever you did, you know, get that first initial dub. So yes, we got a long day tomorrow. Actually, it's gonna be a good video, man. It's gonna be a good video tomorrow. Showing you guys around my area. I ain't been in this mall in a while, and it's kind of crazy to think about. Like, I haven't been to a mall in my area since I moved here. Like, that is crazy, man. That's kind of crazy. And of course, you guys know we gotta hit you guys with the scent of the day. The scent of the day. I had this on today, bro. Smelling good. And it lasts very long. I ain't know it lasts that long, but yeah, it's about 6 o'clock now, and it's still hitting. And we had on the God of Fire, what's his name, Stefan Humbert Lucas. I got put on this by my guy Retro the Plug, and I said, bro, what you got, man? What I need to snag? And this was one of them right here. Really love it. Give me a little tag real quick. I don't want to waste it. This thing was very expensive, but I rarely pull this one out. Rarely pull it out, so I don't mind, you know, getting a little couple extra sprays throughout the day. But this is the center of the day. God of Fire. God, I love it, man. You gotta have it too. And then speaking of fragrances, man, I actually had a couple touch my doorstep today, which we got to talk about. We're gonna get through these really quickly. Been excited to get these ever since I got put on when I was in Houston, bro. I was in Houston, bro, said try these out, put them on your skin, and then see how you feel about them. And I said, don't mind if I do. So I took the sample, and you guys can see, bro. You guys see we got the Louis V, bro. We got the Louis V in. Go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and pull it out real quick. This might take a little longer than I anticipated, but it's all good, man. Y'all hear from me. Y'all here with me, and we're gonna head and check this out. All right, guys, finally. That took a little minute, but we got it in. I fell in love with it, bro. I fell in love with it, and here we have it, bro. Check it out, man. That LV Lovers. It got DOG on the front because I'm a dog. You feel me? I'm a dog, man. I had to get it. And oh my God. Yes, finally. So you guys see, it's the first one. Let me put that in focus. The LV Lovers. And yes, sir, we have the Louis Vuitton LV. So I fell in love with this one, and I fell in love with the LV Lovers. So I'm just, you know, just kind of boosting the Louis Vuitton collection. And, you know, I had to add both of these to the arsenal. Had to add to the arsenal, man. All right, man. Finally, I done talked y'all head off. I hope y'all enjoyed the little extra unboxings, things that I enjoy. I will start, you know, incorporating it into the channel. I'm not just shoes. I like a lot of other things other than shoes. I buy a lot of other things, collect a lot of other things. So I'm gonna definitely give you guys that. I had somebody hating on me for dropping my top 5 fragrances that I recommend people to get. Somebody was hating on me. I'm like, bro, how people find anything to hate on? It's kind of sad, but it is what it is. As long as you're doing what you do, you can't please everybody. But let's go ahead and get into it. The box is jacked up. Oh my God. Whew, the box is jacked up, y'all. Oh my goodness. You guys can see it came so jacked up I can't even close them. You guys see it, bro. You got that OG Air Jordan and the Jumpman logo up top, and you guys should know what this is, but the box came crazy damn, and just it is what it is. But you got the Air Jordan 8 retro white black and true red. You guys see them, bro. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with them. And we finally have them in the collection. Without further ado, we have the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny, guys, man. Let me go ahead and pull both of these out of the box real quick. Give you guys a quick little 360 of them. These are scheduled to release December the 20th. I think the retail tag is like $225 or something crazy like that. And I think the last time these released was 2013. Kind of did a little quick history before shooting this video. I think the first retro was like 2003, if I'm not mistaken, and then over in 2013. And now here we are 12 years later in 2025. We have another release of the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny, guys. And this one right here is super nostalgic, man. It's a lot of people that love this sneakers. A lot of people that's going to be jumping out the woodworks trying to snag these and secure them because of how much nostalgic, how much of that classic vibe these Bugs Bunny 8s give off. I know it's not a lot of Air Jordan 8 lovers out there. Let's be real. We got some onesies and twosies out there that you gotta have. Of course, you know what I'm saying, you gotta have a playoff 8. You gotta have an Aqua 8, in my opinion. And the Bugs Bunny 8s is definitely up there, in my opinion, in terms of those staple colorways and the Air Jordan 8 silhouette lineup. And something that pretty much everybody loves about the 8s is the design you get on the outer sneaker. Get a little nice little design on the medial side, and of course go ahead and check out the outsoles for these guys. It's just always super dope to kind of see the design, kind of see how back in the 90s they were constructing some of these designs for Jordan. It was definitely ahead of its time for sure. And then just kind of pulling off the straps right here, you know, you guys know how the Air Jordan 8s come, but I definitely had to show off the tongue action real quick. Pause if needed, but I definitely got to show off the tongue. It's my first time having a pair of the Bugs Bunny 8s, and what's crazy is the Bugs Bunny 8s, the ones we have in our hand right now, is a shootout one and so long that I got other sneakers that look just like it, which I'm gonna show you guys. But go ahead and check it out. You got your red, white, and blue, and some gray in it, like kind of like a Pokemon ball with the blue Jumpman in the middle right there. Of course, you got your straps on the 8s. I love the straps, again, ahead of its time. Like this release back in the 90s, bro, ahead of its time with the design, the comfortability as well. I love the comfortability of 8s. And if it was between me, bro, in terms of hooping, it's either the Air Jordan 10s or the Air Jordan 8s. Even though I never hooped in 8s, they're just super comfortable, bro. The leather quality is really, really nice almost on every single Air Jordan 8. Or even if they throw nubuck on them like they did for the Air Jordan 8 Aquas, it was just immaculate, man. But go ahead and check these guys out right here. I think these were the alternate 98s, or I'm not thinking of the name right now, but I bought this Air Jordan 8 right here because of the Bugs Bunny 8s. Let me go ahead and grab the left one. I essentially bought this one because it looked so much like the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. So just to kind of show you guys how long I've actually wanted these, how long I've always knew about these, that I got other shoes that kind of look just like them, man. Again, these will be releasing December the 20th. So we got, of course, the Black Cat 4s that come out for these. We got Chicago One Lows coming for these. Of course, tomorrow we have the taxis. So this nostalgic pack end of the year, bro. They went crazy in terms of the releases. The end of the quarter, the end of the year 2025, ended off on a bang. And I'm telling you guys right now, if you think these are going to be like some scissors or something like that, you got nothing coming. Look at the Aquas. They were not a huge produced you know, colorway. It wasn't a lot of pairs out there. They didn't mass produce them, guys. So it felt a little bit more limited because you ain't seen pairs sitting around and stuff like that. He sold out pretty quickly, and it was one of those shoes that, you know, was nostalgic enough that Nike knew, bro, people are gonna come out to support and grab them things, because we ain't got the Aquas in a while, and of course we ain't got the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunnies in forever, man. So yeah, guys, I pretty much want to put you guys up on game, show you what the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunnies is hitting for, and just give you a little food for thought. Look back at the Aqua 8 release, look back at the Steel 10 release, the toe cap that nobody wanted, look back at that release, and some of these other colorways you probably initially thought, oh, he's gonna sit, I can just go in the mall and get them. It's not going to be like that for these releases, especially in and off the year. I promise you, bro, these are going to be gone fairly quickly. And I'm telling you guys, man, hey, mark my words, man, mark my words. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. I didn't talk y'all ear off today, but I had a lot to talk about in terms of some of the releases that we are going to be getting, and of course these Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunnies. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. And again, let me know what fragrances I'm missing out of my collection, which I ain't showed you. I ain't even show you the collection yet. So some of these fragrances I already have. So you know, we might be thinking alike, man. Great minds think alike, but I could be potentially missing some gems in that collection as well. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog for the Air Jordan 12 taxis. And yeah, man, that's it, bro. I love y'all. Peace.